Certainly. Here's a recipe for mint margarita, mint lemonade, and the famous mint margarita drink. Mint margarita. Ingredients. 1. 1 cup fresh mint leaves. 2. 1/4 cup fresh lime juice. 3. 1/4 cup sugar syrup, adjust to taste. 4. 1/4 teaspoon black salt, kala namak. 5. 1/4 teaspoon chaat masala. 6. Ice cubes. 7. Soda water or lemon lime soda. 8. Salt, for rimming the glass. 9. Lime wedges and mint sprigs for garnish. Instructions. 1. Rim the serving glass with salt. 1. To do this, rub a lime wedge along the rim of the glass and dip it into a plate of salt to coat the rim. 1. Fill the glass with ice cubes. 2. In a blender, combine fresh mint leaves, lime juice, sugar syrup, black salt, and chaat masala. 2. Blend until you get a smooth minty mixture. 3. Pour the mint mixture into the prepared glass, filling it about halfway. 4. Top off the glass with soda water or lemon lime soda, depending on your preference. 5. Garnish with a lime wedge and a sprig of mint. 6. Give it a gentle stir before drinking. 6. Enjoy your refreshing mint margarita. Mint lemonade. Ingredients. 1. 1 cup fresh mint leaves. 2. 1/2 cup fresh lemon juice. 3. 1/4 cup sugar syrup, adjust to taste. 4. 4 cups cold water. 5. Ice cubes. 6. Lemon slices and mint sprigs for garnish. Instructions. 1. In a pitcher, muddle the fresh mint leaves gently to release their flavor. 2. Add fresh lemon juice and sugar syrup to the pitcher. 2. Mix well to combine. 3. Pour in the cold water and stir to make the mint lemonade. 4. Fill glasses with ice cubes and pour the mint lemonade over the ice. 5. Garnish with lemon slices and mint sprigs. 6. Stir well before serving. 6. Enjoy your homemade mint lemonade. Mint margarita drink, famous recipe. Ingredients. 1. 2 ounces, 60 milliliters, silver tequila. 2. 1 ounce, 30 milliliters, fresh lime juice. 3. 1 ounce, 30 milliliters, triple sec or Cointreau. 4. Half an ounce, 15 milliliters, sugar syrup, adjust to taste. 5. Fresh mint leaves. 6. Ice cubes. 7. Lime wedges and mint sprigs for garnish. 8. Salt, for rimming the glass. Instructions. 1. Rim a margarita glass with salt by rubbing a lime wedge along the rim and dipping it into a plate of salt. 2. In a cocktail shaker, muddle a few fresh mint leaves to release their flavor. 3. Fill the shaker with ice cubes. 3. Add tequila, fresh lime juice, triple sec, and sugar syrup. 4. Shake well until the mixture is chilled. 5. Strain the mixture into the prepared margarita glass filled with ice. 6. Garnish with a lime wedge and a sprig of mint. 7. Serve your mint margarita drink and enjoy responsibly. These minty beverages are perfect for cooling down on a hot day or enjoying at a social